Hey everyone, welcome back to my recreate the Wolfgang guitar as far as the paint. And as you see right here, I've got it all taped up and wrapped up in a plastic bag, getting ready to stain it. Yes, I'm going to stain it, and so if it does wear, then the stain will come through. As you can see, I got rubber gloves. I got the stain ready. I got a piece of paper towel to rub the stain on the headstock there. And hopefully things will turn out as planned. We'll see. I don't know. This is the first time trying this. So here's a closer look. I am using the color tone liquid wood stain that I got from the Stumac, and this is one of those things that I use all the time on guitars, as you probably have noticed in the past too. So here it is. It's all stained up, pretty much ready to go for paint. As far as the stain on the wood goes, I love it as is because that's just the way it turned out. So I love it just that way. So hopefully things turn out. So here we are. It's all taped up. We're getting ready for the black paint. The black paint I am using is going to be a universal black duplicate color. And we're going to spray that on. We're only going to use one coat on this to start. So hopefully we got something going here. So here it is, all painted black. Now, I used duplicate color because it dries fast. It was only 75 degrees. It dries fast, and I was able to pretty much get it dry within probably about 15 minutes after I had applied the paint. So that was pretty good news right there. Here's a couple of, I took a couple of shots from different angles to give kind of like what it looked like from a different angle. It's not perfect, and I didn't expect it to be perfect. When Eddie built his first guitar, it wasn't perfect. There were imperfections. So here's another shot coming up from the back. Remember when I told you that I wanted to have like a point on the back of the neck? Well, here it is right here. It's all taped off, and I painted the whole thing. So hopefully that turned out the way I suspected it. So here it is. I used duplicate color universal black. I set it, but I don't know if I'm allowed to show it, so I blurted out what I said. So here's another shot of the universal black on the back of the neck right there, and some of the tape that I used, and sandpaper. Here it is, all taped up and ready to get going. Now I'm also using universal white duplicate color on this, so I taped it up the way I figured. I just kind of went by the size of the headstock and so forth. So here it is, taped up on the back, and on the sides because I didn't want to get any white spray paint on of the headstock. I thought that might be important. Have it all black on the back and then white on the front. So I think it turned out pretty nice. Here it is, painted white. It's got it all taped up. It's all bagged up nice so the rest of the neck doesn't get painted or anything like that. Universal white on top of the black. And you'd be surprised at how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty nice. So first of all, here's the back side. The back side did not turn out half bad at all. I mean, it's nice. It was covered well. I was really happy with it. As far as the point on the neck, that turned out really nice too. I'm gonna put a little bit of wear on it also. So here it is. I could not believe it. Look at that. It turned out. This is nice, man. I love it. It turned out exactly the way I thought it would, having thing on the tape out and stuff like that. It is awesome. I thank you guys for dropping by. Take care.